All right, we got a 2023 Grom here. Got some questions on how to install an easy pull clutch and the brake lever. The brake lever is pretty self-explanatory, so we tossed that thing on there, gave it some lubricant, and we'll just give you a little quick step-by-step of installing the easy pull. All right, go ahead and take off the OEM clutch perch. Take off the neutral safety switch. One thing about one finger that's cool is that you can opt in for a neutral safety switch that you'll get the female end, and on the male end it'll come pre-wired. So we're just going to go through the steps here how to install it. All right, before we put the clutch perch on, we went ahead and wired it in. We soldered ours, but it does come with these little adapters that you can use. Now, we do get some questions which wire goes to which, but it's not important. It's just an on and off switch, so it's pretty basic. You can't get it wrong. All right, we're to the fun part of this install here. We have our 2-finger adjustable, which is a side note. Really cool about this one is you can fine tune it to the distance that works for you, and you can quickly do that with the adjuster right here. So we've got the longer fingers, you can adjust it out. You want it a little bit closer in, you can bring it in. So in and out, very easy. Once you have this hooked up, it's a simple male female end. Snaps right into place, won't disconnect. You can tuck that away nicely or do whatever you want, but when you get the finished product, neutral safety will work. You can start the bike in gear with the clutch pulled in, no problem.